Hello guys, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. As you know, we are going to start a new batch with polity sections, particularly for IAS and KS. Before starting the topic, I want to share the approach which is very necessary, or I can say very important, to study the polity. For understanding or for cracking any exam, you must know the expectations which UPSC expects from us and the nature and the approach which should be dealt with the polity sections. And it can be done only through two things. One is syllabus and second are question papers. Question papers will help you in understanding what topics and in what manner we should understand them. Syllabus is very indicative and it becomes sometimes very difficult to understand micro elements of the syllabus. And this can be done with the help of syllabus as well as question papers. Without question papers, you cannot understand the level, the mechanism, the manner of the examination. Polity students find it comparatively very easy in pre point of view, but the same students find it very difficult in the mains examination. Why so? Because for polity, you don't have any particular textbook in the market which caters whole syllabus, or I can say rather entire syllabus of UPSC. And for this, particularly for polity section, you have to rely on current affairs. And for current affairs, you need to study or you need to go through the newspapers, magazines, particularly your Kurukshetra, Yojana, and Economic and Political Weekly. The reason is why most of the students find it very difficult, because of the dynamism of the subject. It is very dynamic and you have to rely on other sources apart from the books, and other sources are just as I just told you, like newspaper, Kurukshetra, Yojana, Economics and Political Weekly. These are the sources on which you have to rely. For beginners, it becomes difficult to organize the information in a comprehensive or in a note form. So let us understand what are the things which we need to discuss and what is syllabus which is in your GS paper 2. The GS paper 2 starts with the word that is called governance, then constitution, polity, social justice and international relations. We should be very clear about these terms and the flow of these terms, what they mean and why the governance has been introduced as a first letter. What is governance? What is polity? Why do we study polity? These are the questions which can be asked you in an interview. Why do you study polity? What is the need of the polity? We should know each and everything that will be discussed in class. In polity, there is no need to study the syllabus of pre separately. I don't feel there is any requirement to study the pre section of the syllabus separately, because the topics which are in pre are already covered in main syllabus. For example, you have rights issues, you have public policy and other policies which are in pre section, which are already covered in mains part of syllabus. Say for example, if I start with the first word which is mentioned in your syllabus, that your syllabus starts with the word that is called governance. Why governance has been started at the first, why not at the end? If we see the governance up to 1990s, or I can say rather up to 1990, it just focused on government institutions like parliament, judiciary, executive. But from 1990 onwards, it started focusing on other areas like civil society, non-governmental organizations, NGOs, I can say, and other institutions like self-help groups. For any student who is going to start the polity, he needs to go through the most important book, that is Lakshmikant. But on the other hand, you cannot rely wholly and solely on Lakshmikant, because from Lakshmikant you cannot opt all the questions from pre or for main sections. No doubt Lakshmikant is very lucid and layman can understand what Lakshmikant speaks about, but from the mains point of view as well as for the pre point of view, you cannot solve all the questions. So for that, you need to rely on other sources like PM Bakshi is there, Subhash Kashyap is there. You need to focus on all these books and then you can qualify the exam. Thank you very much.